ఫస్ట్ నాకు చెప్పేసాయి నువ్వు రెడీ అంటే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు.
Start the class, sir.
Okay. Right, sir. Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes. This is Saraiah, PG Zoology, Tsrjc Burgampahad. Students, yesterday we are discussing Tinoforan, Nidaria Silentrata. Today we are remaining chapters discuss. Today we are learn introduction to Platyhelminthes, general cats of Platyhelminthes, and classification of Platyhelminthes, introduction to Nematoda, Nematohelminthes, general cats of Nematoda, and classification of Nematoda. Phylum Platyhelminthes. So Platyhelminthes, the term derived the two Greek words. In Greek language, the Platyhelminthes means platys means flat, helminthes means worms. So literal name as flatworms. Platys means flat, helminthes means worms. So Platyhelminthes literally means flatworms. Platyhelminthes was coined by Gegenbach. The term Platyhelminthes was coined by Gegenbach. So example of Platyhelminthes, tapeworm or Taenia solium, Fasciola hepatica, and Dugacia. So once again, Platyhelminthes, the term Platyhelminthes was derived from the two Greek words. In Greek language, platys means flat, helminthes means worms. Platyhelminthes literally means flatworms. Platyhelminthes was the term coined by Gegenbach. Example of the phylum Platyhelminthes, tapeworm, Fasciola hepatica, and Dugacia. General cats of Platyhelminthes. Members of this phylum are soft, thin-bodied, leaf, ribbon-like worms. So members of this phylum are soft, thin-bodied. So flatworms means thin, soft tissue is present in the animal. That's why soft, thin-bodied, leaf, ribbon-like. A long ribbon-like structure is present in some flatworms like Taenia solium, tapeworm. That's why it's called a ribbon-like worms. These are dorsoventrally flattened. So dorsoventrally flattened means which is the animal, their body consists of two ends like upper and lower surface flat surface. That's why dorsoventrally compressed the body. It is called as dorsoventrally flattened body and present in the Platyhelminthes like animals, tapeworm, Dugacia, and Planaria. Other animals, dorsoventral, both sides are compressed and either upper and lower surface are flattened. Hence are called as flatworms. So both sides are compressed and flat means they're called as flatworms. These are mostly endoparasites found in animals, including man. So Platyhelminthes are the endoparasites. So endoparasite means is a parasite living to inside the host body. They're called as endoparasite. That endoparasite or the parasite living to outside the host body is called as ectoparasite. Ecto and endo. Endo means the parasite living to the inside the host body called as endoparasite. The parasite living to outside the host is called as ectoparasites. So mostly they are the endoparasite living the inside the host body. They're sucking up blood and other nutrients is called as endoparasites. Flatworms and nematodes and other parasite organisms also mostly endoparasites found in animals including man. So these endoparasites live in the animals and including man. They're causing up some dangerous diseases. So these are the endoparasites. These are bilaterally symmetrical. So almost all these are bilateral means only when only one plane that passing through the central axis of the body, the animal, the organism divided into two identical parts called as bilaterally symmetrical. Bi means two sides. So bilaterally symmetrical present in this phylum Platyhelminthes. and no segmentation. The platyhelminth is organisms are the body no exhibit of no segmentation. So segmentation means the body is divided into some parts. The linear body divided into some parts. So that's why there is no segmentation because of the body is soft tissues or thin like a rubber-like structure. That is no segmentation is present, or metameres are no segmentation is present in these animals. Triploblastic. So flatworms are exhibit triploblast nature. Triploblastic means the which is an animal. The life cycle is the embryonic stage. Three primary germ layers are present. They are called as triploblastic. The three germ layers are ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. These are three germ layers are present in their body. This is called as triploblast nature. So except coelentrates and porphyrians are sponges. The only diploblast nature remaining all are platy to the chordates and like other animals are triploblastic nature. So these are the triploblast nature. Three germ layers like ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. So acoelomate animals. So acoelomate means first of all, coelomic animals, acoelomates, pseudocoelomates, and eucoelomates. So platyhelminths are the acoelomate animals. But coelom means which is the animal, the body cavity is present in the lining of mesoderm is called as acoelomates. So acoelomate means which is no body cavity is present in the mesoderm epithelium is called as acoelomates. So platyhelminths are the acoelomate animals. Next, hooks and suckers are the present in parasitic forms. So these are the endoparasites. The flatworms are endoparasites. That's why the mouth region, the consist of hooks and suckers are present. So hooks and suckers are the operators located in the mouth region. They are going to attachment of the host body or intestine and other parts of the body. They are attached them and sucking of digestive food materials and blood and other materials are easily to suck them. That's why they're holding parts of the mouth region. Hooks and suckers are present in these parasitic forms. So because of they are the endoparasite, the mostly endoparasite, that's why the mouth region, hooks and suckers are present. Element canal is incomplete. So incomplete means which is the element canal or food pipe. So mouth to anus, like mouth, esophagus, pharynx, buccal cavity, stomach, small and large intestine, and anus. So these all digestive parts are present in the which is any animal is called as complete food pipe or element canal. So in this flatworms only element canal is incomplete means anus is absent. Anus is absent. That's why only one opening ingestion excision. That's why there only incomplete element canal is present. Anus is absent. Skeleton system, circulation, respiratory systems are absent. So in this platform, the body is soft bodied and a ribbon-like structure. That's why there is no special skeletal system or circulatory system or respiratory system are present. Circulation, respiratory means there is no special exterior respiratory organ, lungs like organs, and circulation and heart are absent. There is no developed character. That's why the two skeleton, circulatory, and respiratory system are wanting. So because of there is no special circulatory organs, there is no special respiratory organs are present. It's only limit the aquatic media or like in host body is only diffusion the body to absorb the respiration by the skin or moist skin the oxygen and circulation. There is no transportation of oxygen. That's why these are absent or wanting in these animals. That's why skeleton system, circulation, and respiratory systems are absent. Nervous system is moderately developed. So nervous system is moderately developed. Some developed nervous system is present in these platforms. Exterior cells called flame cells. So extinction is conducted by the flatworms like a flame cell is present. This is the flame cell. A flame cell is a special extremity organ like kidney-like organ. It is the excretory function to conduct by the flatworms. The flame cells, the bundle of flame cells is called as photonephridia. The photonephridia present in the flame cell, a bunch of flame cells called as photonephridia. So these are the conducted by the excretory function in flatworms. So elimination of any waste material into the body to throughout or discharge the body is conducted by the flame cell. So excretory cells are called flame cells. So it is a main important cell in the present of flatworms. So it is the flame cell. Separate sex are separate. So these are the both and female sexual dimorphism is very clear. That means both male and female are separate. That's why sex are separate. Male and females are separate. Sexual dimorphism is very clear. Fertilization is internal. So fertilization internal means which is a union of egg cells and from forms during the sexual reproduction into the inside the female body, or the male to the male of sperm inside the female reproductive tract, that is called as internal. Fertilization is internal. So both male and female two gametes are ovum or egg cell or egg or ovum or sperm, both are inside the female reproductive tract, is called as fertilization is internal. Development is indirect. So indirect means which is a larva stage present in the life cycle, that is called as indirect development. With many larval stages are present in this platyhelminthes, like like Piracidium, Sporocyst, Rhedia, Sarcaria, and other larvae are present in this. So many different types of larva stages are present in this animal. That's why development is indirect development. And regeneration is capacity high. In flatworms like turbellarians and Dugacia and planarians are to exhibit regeneration is very high. So regeneration means to replacement or means replacement or any organ or part or tissue to full functioning of organism or animal is called as regeneration. So regeneration is turbellarians very high, and platforms also the regeneration power is capacity very high. So it is the example of platinum is Tinea solium or tapeworm, Fascia hepatica or liver fluke, Schistosoma, Hematobium. So these are the examples of flatworms. Once again, members of this phylum, soft thin-bodied, leaf-like, ribbon-like forms. These are dorsal-ventral flattened body, hence called as flatworms. These are mostly endoparasite, found in animals, including man. These are bilateral symmetrical, no segmentation, diploblastic, acoelomatical animals. Hooks and suckers are present in parasite forms. Alimentary canal is incomplete. Anus is absent. Skeleton system is circulatory and nervous system is moderately developed. Exterior cells called flame cells. Sex are not separate. Fertilization is internal. Development is indirect with many larval stages. Regeneration capacity high. Tinea solium, Fascia hepatica, Schistosoma, Hematobium. Classification of platyhelminthes. The phylum platyhelminthes are classified into three classes, namely Turbellaria, Trematoda, and Cystoda. Turbellaria, Trematoda, and Cystoda. So three classes are classified into the phylum platyhelminthes. Class 1, Turbellaria. These are mostly free-living, unsegmented flatworms. The mouth bear cilia and muscles formating structures called droplet in this body shape. So these are mostly free-living. Free-living means the flatworms are able to free living in the plants and animals. That's why they're mostly free-living. Unsegmented flatworms. Unsegmented means the body is not metameres or unsegmented body. Because of this, this is the soft tissue or ribbon-like body is present called as unsegmented flatworms. The mouth bears cilia cilia. So mouth consists of so many different types of cilia or suckers are present in this turbulence. And muscles formating structures called rhabditis in the shape. So rhabditis is the one of the most important and specific characters of like a platform or tinea solium. So rhabditis is a minute, small rod-like structure located in the mouth region. It is a holding or anchoring part of the endoparasite that is living to the host inside the body. They are the sucking the food and other blood or the other food material to easily absorb the droplets. It is small, minute, rod-like structure present in the tinea solium and other flatworms. Reproduction is by sexual and asexual and sexual methods. Development is indirect, include free swimming, ciliated mullus larva is present. So reproduction is by asexual and sexual. So asexual means without gametes or participate in sex called as asexual, and sexual methods are male and female are separate systems are present. So male reproductive system and female reproductive systems are separate. So that's why sexual methods are present in this platform. Development is indirect. Indirect means larval stages are present in life cycle. That's why development is indirect development. Include free swimming ciliated mullus larva. In the flatworms like turbellarians, the life cycle mullus larva is present. Example, Dugacia. So this is Dugacia or planaria. This labeling part of animal like eye, auricle, and anterior intestine, and process of sheath, proboscis, and proboscis spore, and posterior humbus intestine. So this is the Dugacia planaria. So once again, the plant element is classified into three classes, namely Turbellaria, Trematodon, and Cystodon. Turbellarian
Sir,
మేడం
Saraiah sir.
సారా సార్ లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయాడు మేడం. మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ కమ్మని చెప్పండి మేడం. వచ్చారు మేడం, సార్ వచ్చారు. జాయిన్
Saraiah sir, please share the screen. Saraiah sir, please share the screen.
next Trematodon.
షేర్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్ సార్.
Yes sir.
షేర్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్
share.
సార్.
Saraiah sir, share the screen.
మేము సార్ మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళిపోయారు మేడం.
What shall I do? Hello.
Hello. Madam, I think the sound is muted. I cannot hear anything.
మేడం సార్ ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ కాలే మేడం. సార్
Hello.
సార్ సారా సార్ లేరు సార్ ఆన్లైన్లో.
అచ్చా లేరా, అంటే టెక్నికల్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చి ఉంటది. చూద్దాం, వస్తారు ఒక్క నిమిషం.